The Mechanical Integrity Suite is an inspection data management system for fixed equipment at process facilities. Within the tool, you're able to catalog mechanical and process information for the fixed assets, catalog inspection histories, create inspection schedules for future inspection dates, and if required, perform risk-based inspection or RBI analysis based off of API 581, though assets can also be managed on a regular time-based schedule. There is a lot of integration between our products. A lot of our customers, after they implement either the MI Suite or IDP, they would tend to want to link them together. And one way that we do that is just hinging everything together with 3D models. We utilize very simple photogrammetric 3D representations of the plant so that we can tag primary fixed equipment and rotating assets. And that way, when you search on it on either the 3D model or the PNID, you can get the data from the MI Suite that pertains to that particular fixed equipment and kind of have the interaction between the 2D drawings, the 3D representation of the plant, as well as the fixed equipment data from the mechanical integrity software all in play in a single view. The technology stack for our products is a little bit newer, so you have a modern and scalable solution that's going to be there for quite a while with newer technologies. Our customer service is another thing that we pride ourselves on, trying to get responses out to our customers as quickly as we can to address their issues or their concerns. And also, once you have our products integrated, you have the mechanical integrity software, and you can tie that with 3D views, intelligent PNIDs, and inspection workflow for direct submittal of inspection forms into the mechanical integrity software. It very much streamlines processes for maintenance and operations within the facilities.